down from the layers. Yeah, we got this shed, and I was like, even that was having a hard time. Like the plow, I was like, shit. But it has still come down. It's been snowing. Second day nonstop. Like it hasn't even braked or nothing. It's just been getting progressively worse. And like now it's like gusting and like blizzard winds and all this craziness. But I don't know. My nose, it is like intense. It is so. Oh my god! Like no one. I mean, you can't get ahead of it. We've been doing it all day. We showed off the driveway. Like we made a clear path to our shed just to get the big plow out. But I'm like. After doing that, I was like exhausted, it's heavy, my beard's all messed up, my hair's all matted down from the layers. Yeah, we got this shed, and I was like, even that was having a hard time. Like the plow, I was like, shit. But it has still come down. It's been snowing. Second day nonstop. Like it hasn't even braked or nothing. It's just been getting progressively worse. And like now it's like gusting and like blizzard winds and all this craziness. But I don't know, my nose itches. I think I got frostbite. I'm gonna lose my nose. I'm gonna lose my nose. But no one this is rough. And y'all thought I was playing. Y'all like, it ain't gonna be that big. They made a state of emergency, so if you're not what's it called? First responders or like EMS or like firefighters or cops, you can get a ticket. They can ticket you on the road for being out there for no reason. But so we'll see how tomorrow goes. I don't know. I've never seen it this bad in my life. Look, oh, here's the window. Like, look at that. It's up to the window. Like, that's... and it's still coming down. But, yeah, guys. So, I have a friend in California who's lucky as hell right now. Like, I love the snow. But, I shouldn't say that. I do love the snow, but the work that comes involved with it, like... And it's heavy snow, like when we were shoveling it, like it's heavy. It's like a back. It's a good gym workout. But he's in California. It's like, I don't know. It's probably colder than usual, but it's not snowing like this. So he got out in the nick of time because he used to be from DC, and he's kind of a cold little girl. He don't do the cold. If it's below 70, he's like, it's freezing. But help. Guys, this is on TV. This is around my area. It is bananas.
I see police officers, I see emergency crews, I see snow plows, but that's about it. You have an occasional person who's getting off work and heading home. Let's roll some video right now. Route 1 is essentially a ghost town. Take a look as we drove around College Park in Prince George's County.
Day 3. We're time to dig out. It is so much. I'm excited. I'll give you a little taste of how much we got. It's pretty crazy. It's a lot of snow. This is bananas. What? Oh, we in it. And just like that, it is over. It's actually one of my face feels like it's like sunburnt. It's really warm. Things are starting to melt. Once you get like the driveway, like, I guess it just reflects, but like it's starting to melt pretty good. That's the line that we got for my dad to get the bulldozer and just push it out the way. But yeah, it's actually, I don't know. I don't. My brother said he doesn't want to go out. I'm trying to. Our buddy might be having people over to go sledding, but I don't know if he's gonna go. But yeah, so we're just chilling.
That's not so cheap. Anything. Go, go, go. He made it.
Russian soldiers. I got the little Spetsnaz. Oh, in my face, in my face! I'm out of here!
Is that the camera you got for Christmas?
Yeah, you want to see it? You want to be on camera?
Yeah.
Look.
Dang,
Hello!
Hi!
all those days I fall off
Okay.
on a dirt bike, this is going to be the thing that I fall off of and
Break his arm. This is going to be it.
I'm not able to go to work the next day.
He's fallen off his dirt bike? Yeah.
Yeah, a couple times.
From like a dead stop, so it doesn't count.
Oh, it just fell over.
Yeah, dude, look at you!
Lean into it!
He has good balance. You could ski, you just need to learn.
I thought he went with y'all.
Go, that way.
He's never been? What? And Dan's been? Come on, I got one up Dan. Proud. Come on, ride that train. Come on, everybody.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, what do you want to say?
Don't zoom in on my face.
It doesn't zoom that far.
Tequila grill? What?
Yeah,
What about it?
I think we should go.
And do what? Get drunk?
Charles,
Yeah, it's a lot. It'd be a lot.
I like a lot of land. I wish I had all this land.
Well,
I ain't buying it from your dad.
it's worth a lot of it.
There's too many memories. Sledding. It was fun. It ended up getting too cold. Like, I mean, you get wet and that's it. Like, once my feet got wet, I was done. But just got home, just got my car stuck in my driveway, but we got it out. So no love lost. It was fun. We ended up playing Trouble. This is the board game we play. I wanted to play Monopoly, but it didn't happen. We got it out.
How'd you get it?
Just drove down the driveway. And so yeah, it's been a cold. I feel like I'm getting sick. You know when you go from hot to cold, hot to cold, hot to cold, because I was sweating, shoveling snow. And I come inside, get all warm and dry and stuff. Go back out in like the sweat. You know, I feel like my head's kind of light. But other than that, it was a good blizzard. I really need to invest in a GoPro because I wish I had one at this point. So I could have got a cool shot while we were sledding. It was fun. And I didn't want my friend to drop this camera in the snow. And she's like, do you want to put the tripod in the snow? I was like, no. Try to get back on the daily grind. Even if it's like a 3-minute, 4-minute vlog, I'm still going to post daily just so I get in the habit of things. So we'll see how this week goes. But alright guys, thanks for watching.